fastest driver in the world. This is so slow. And you guys are annoying me.
Okay, go.
Ah! Let me get it!
Go. I'm taking a video to the guy. Go drive. Because I'm not good in driving. Brrrt. Jump. He's good. Toing. Toing. Go. That's perfect. Go.
Okay, you are not gonna die, you human. You are not gonna die.
Jump.
Look, see?
Guess what? We're in this shit right now. Yeah, I guess we are. Look at all these.
What's the title of this?
Oh, it's just cause for.
Boom. Perfect.
Go! Go, hurry! Hurry! Before the bad guy comes to you.
We're here, but instructions aren't here yet.
Let's go, boys! What's up, boys? Consistent YouTuber here.
Lock and load, people. You got
Let me just get-
supplies back.
Give me the snipers! What's up, boys?
Boom.
Die! Why can't you die already? I'm gonna die. You cannot see me. You cannot see me. This 1 hour?
Oh my goodness.
She's gonna be-
Let's end.
She's gonna be here in 1 hour.
Don't let them through.
Oh.
Let me in. What? Who's the freak? That's what you get.
Fast. He's good.
No! Wait, no, come. I lost health. I don't have any health. I died.
Ah, you
I
die.
died.
You die. We die.